This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can replace or swap a battery on this drone. So it is a very simple and quick thing to do. Take your drone, look at the opposite end of the camera, so point your eyes to the rear end of the aircraft. Here on the sides of the battery, you'll find those two buttons or clips, which you need to push upwards to take off the battery. Now take a new one, make sure that those contact points are properly aligned, and then simply insert it following the guiding rails that you'll find here. So insert it all the way, then push it in all the way down until you hear a distinctive click, which signals that the battery has been inserted and clipped on successfully. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.